Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a level 2 charger with Electrician checklist, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials for the installation. Ensure you have a level 2 charger, appropriate electrical wiring, circuit breakers, and a dedicated circuit. Before starting, consult local building codes and regulations. Determine the best location for the level 2 charger, ideally close to where the electric vehicle will be parked. Turn off the main power supply to avoid any electrical hazards during installation. Use a voltage tester to confirm that the power is off at the breaker box. Check the existing electrical panel to ensure it can accommodate the additional load. If necessary, upgrade your electrical panel to handle the new circuit. Prepare the site by clearing any obstacles and ensuring adequate ventilation. Install a dedicated circuit based on the requirements of the level 2 charger. Run appropriate gauge wiring from the breaker box to the charger location. Secure the wiring along the walls or indoors using clips and conduits. Install a new circuit breaker in the panel, following manufacturer specifications. Connect the wiring to the charger according to the unit's installation instructions. Pay attention to the grounding and neutral connections for safety. Mount the charger securely on the wall or an appropriate pedestal. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Turn the power back on at the main panel. Test the installation by plugging in the electric vehicle to ensure charging begins. Monitor the charger for any unusual sounds or lights during the initial charge. If everything operates as expected, complete any finishing touches, such as sealant around the installation site. Keep all documentation and manuals safe for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.